What's the meaning of corporatism? Corporatism. Corporatism.
Corporatism. Corporatism. Corporatism is a political system in which society and the economy are organized into groups representing different interests, such as labor, business, and professional associations. These groups are given a role in the decision-making process of government and are expected to work together to promote the collective good. The result of corporatism can be a more stable and orderly society, as well as greater economic growth and efficiency. However, it can also lead to a lack of diversity of thought and limited representation for minorities and marginalized groups. Additionally, corporatism can create an environment where powerful interest groups have an outsized influence on government policy.